trained in a multimodal way on images, video and audio, actually manipulate robots and interact with the physical world. The only way to do that is to give a robot a certain intelligence layer that intuitively understands the world and how to act within the world.
Our model has been trained to predict the dynamics of the world from day one. FLUX-3 really breaks this asymmetry and makes the dynamics of the world a first-class citizen.
Mimic is basically an ideal partner to prove how powerful this new multimodal architecture and approach actually is. And this is why we chose to partner with them.
Last year at Mimic, we introduced Mimic Video. What is the difference between VLAs and video action models? Both of them are about training robots from large-scale behavior data. Their pre-training is much better suited for robotics. FLUX-mimic is a next-generation video action model. It's built on top of the Flux backbone, but trained on robot data to predict robot actions.
So what we're doing now is fundamentally different from conventional automation. With this, we can suddenly solve a new level of unstructured tasks that were previously considered pretty much impossible for automation to do. So that means anything with changing positions, different orientations of objects, handling unpredictable soft bodies, cables, and so on.
We have a lot of exciting partnerships going on, and one of the highlights is our partnership with Audi. Fundamentally, Audi wants an automation solution that is flexible, reliable, and cost-effective. And for us, this means that the main goal is really to reduce integration efforts.
Partnering with Mimic, we've been testing and deploying FLUX-mimic. We've seen these robots solve complex soft body manipulations that would have been simply impossible for conventional automation. This can have a huge impact in assisting our employees, increasing efficiency, and scaling flexible automation across our processes in production and logistics. For us, partnering with pioneer companies as Mimic and Black Forest Lab is essential for pushing the frontiers of physical AI and validating these innovations in real-world production environments.
First time now, our models are moving out of the labs and out of the virtual world really into the real world.